Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make tiramisu cake for business. First, gather your ingredients, focusing on quality. You'll need fresh mascarpone cheese, strong espresso, and good quality Ladyfingers. The success of your tiramisu largely depends on these foundational components. Also, ensure you have fresh eggs and a good quality cocoa powder for dusting. This attention to detail will set your product apart and delight your customers. Next, let's prepare the key components. Start by making a rich sabayon with egg yolks and sugar, then gently fold in your fresh mascarpone cheese to create a smooth, airy cream. Separately, brew a robust espresso and allow it to cool completely. This prevents the Ladyfingers from becoming too soft too quickly. A well-balanced cream and perfectly cooled coffee are crucial for the tiramisu's structure and flavor. Now for the assembly. Quickly dip each Ladyfinger into the cooled espresso, ensuring they are moistened but not soggy. Arrange a layer of these coffee-soaked Ladyfingers in your dish, then spread a generous layer of the mascarpone cream. Repeat these layers, finishing with a smooth cream top. Finally, dust the entire surface with a fine layer of cocoa powder for that classic finish. After assembly, it's crucial to chill your tiramisu for a minimum of 4 hours, or ideally overnight. This allows the flavors to meld and the cake to set properly, ensuring a perfect slice every time. For business, think about presentation and packaging. Individual portions can be very popular. Remember to check the description for a link to the new Kindle Paperwhite and other great deals. Offering different sizes, like a 6-inch or 8-inch cake, can also expand your customer base.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.